So Trias, on the other hand, is actually looking strong. This is a weekly chart, and since I think we covered it recently as well, it is looking good. It has nice, at least temporarily as well. Again, guys, this is, we're still in a bear market. We're still expecting lower levels. I like the fact that it had built support above those EMAs. We've seen this kind of recovery here, but we didn't have the cross between the EMAs. Whereas right now, since the end of October, we've seen the cross, we've seen the shift as well. They're actually curving up, and the 50 is slightly getting a little bit flatter here, so it'd be lovely to see it curve as well, and the price eventually go up higher. But observe it in terms of smaller levels first. Let's just go down to the daily and see. So once you zoom in on time frames, you see how, where the vector candles are and how the EMAs are shifting. So we're actually trading above the 50 EMA, which is great to see. But the 200 EMA has acted as resistance, and it is just pushing us lower. So what you want to see here is Trias stay above the 150 mark. It failed that level here before. We had the double top here, and you can see it here as well on the RSI. Look how it actually, why it would have been a brilliant level to buy in around the RSI if you're using RSI as your indicator. So right now, yeah, we've had this. It topped out here. It gave us nearly a second top here. So we're going to kind of have to keep this in mind now as well, that this basically is like our second top, and it can roll. It can really roll down. What it has to do is just stay above the 150. It was a failed level here, so right now we see that it was obviously a key level where it just broke above it, hit above just the $2 mark, and then gave us this deviation about 150, and it's up above it again. But like I said, the 200 EMA is acting as resistance. It's just not giving us that strength to go above it again. But so long it keeps on giving higher lows, stays here, and it could totally just basically kind of do this, deviate below here, and just kind of do this. It depends obviously what you are expecting from Trias, what your strategy here is. Are you looking to accumulate as much as possible? Are you day trading it? Are you just swing trading it? Or are you looking to buy in DCA and hold? If you're looking to DCA and hold long term, I wouldn't honestly in this market, guys, get too wrapped up in and this is a massive thing that will direct a lot of people's decisions, is greed. And it's really more serious than you think. It's something that you need to ask yourself. Are you going to believe right now that Trias is going to hold this level and moon from here? Is it that strong despite the market conditions, despite what else is possibly going to happen? Are you going to just shift that narrative in your head and think, you know what? I don't care. People think, they're getting greedy because they want lower. I'm buying right now. We're actually going to reverse from here, and we're going to moon? Or are you going to be more of a strategic investor who is going to break down their investment, break down their whatever liquidity you've left, and say, I'm going to DCA equal amounts from here on? like I said, I wouldn't hold my breath yet. I think it might come back and retest 150. And if you see a strong, nice move from 150 higher, that would give me some more confidence that this is properly going to, you know, at least looking at the weekly, stay just around maybe to $3. That's a nice 100% move from here. But pay yourself. You'll hear me on about this every time I talk. Pay yourself. Whatever money, if you were DCing into 3S and some of the monies that you've invested, you're seeing returns on it, take that money off the table. Don't give it to the market. Don't wait for it to reverse again. Like, it would be amazing again. Like, look at this level. And it is going to be a very interesting and very important level to break for 3S to go higher. So you see how this was your resistance here, and now it was a very, very strong resistance here as well. If 3S moves, it gives us that retest on 150. Keep an eye on the $2 once again. And then obviously it would have to retest that level and go up higher, down up to $3. If the 50 EMA starts curving up, that's a nice, good sign. And then obviously we're going to reevaluate. I'm not going to go too far in time about 3S here. I think this covers it well. You can honestly just wait for 3S to come back down, even if it was never to come back down to 150. Give yourself that possibility as well. Because the market honestly can turn, right? But if it was never to come back down and retest 150, wait for a retest of the $2. It's not a massive difference. You're not honestly losing a fortune if you're going to get in a little bit higher with higher conviction. So these are the things to think about. These are things to look at. And I wish you all the best.